messing with that papaya. As y'all saw in the last video, that papaya had me a little shook. And I ain't trying to get shook this morning, so. Today, I'm coming with y'all with some coconut, you know what I'm saying? And some good old raspberries, you know. I already busted this one down, got the coconut water from there. It's funny because I used to did not like no coconut water like at all. But now, I like it. I like it. I don't know if I should sit down, stand up, I don't know. I'm just here talking to y'all. Go ahead and try some of this. It took me a minute to bust this down too, by the way. But I did it. See if this is a good one. Yeah, this is a good one. We can work with that. I already rinsed off these raspberries. Oh wait, let me do it. Alright, we're working with that. It's busting. It's all busting. It's crazy though, because I was thinking about how much fruit and vegetables and all this stuff that's good for our entire body we already naturally have on the earth. You know, go to my grandma, she's always telling me like, you know, try your best to stay away from pills and all that kind of stuff, which I do try my best, you know, like pain pills or being stuck on medication for the rest of your life or stuff, you know. I try my best. And then I'm realizing, like I said, like a lot of stuff we already have naturally on this earth, like the fruits, the vegetables, stuff that's good for our digestion system, heart, brain, inflammation, skin, bones. Like it's already stuff on the earth. It's just a matter of looking it up. You know what I'm saying? Like even the benefits of coconut, it's really good for you. It's good for your bones. It's good for your it helps fight cancer cells too. And I didn't know that coconut helps fight UTIs. So it's good for your urinary tract. Like I didn't know that. It gives you energy. Like this whole list of stuff I'm just supposed to. And then raspberries, same thing. High in vitamin C, boost energy as well. Supposedly helps fight cancer cells too. Like there's a lot of stuff with that too. And help with inflammation in the body, you know. And then coconuts, they're antibacterial as well, so they help with that. That's why it's also good for your skin. There's just a lot of stuff, you know. It's just a matter of looking it up. Like we really have just about everything that our body needs naturally. Like earlier this year, I just realized how healthy dandelions are. You know, dandelions, you know, little, you know, pretty much grew up. I know y'all grew up seeing them commercials, like it always says like getting some Roundup and spraying them and killing dandelions when you see them. But really we should be saving dandelions, you know what I'm saying? Look at the benefits of dandelions. It's like a long list of stuff. And it's like, dandelions are a flower that we can eat the flower part, we can eat the leaves, all of that. People make teas with it. The root, you can even eat the root of the flower. I tried once. I took the root, washed it and all that stuff, cut it up a little bit, boiled it a bunch of time in some hot water, strained it a bunch of time, made some tea with it. And I guess you can, it must not have no flavor. I didn't taste it, but I know it was super beneficial to me. So I put my honey, my lemon, the tea bag or whatever flavor I want, and boom. I know my homeboy, he said his people used to take the leaves and make some greens with dandelion leaves. I'm like, oh, so they was already caught on then, you know. They already knew the truth. Watch, look up some videos about dandelions. I know that shit blew me away. Like that shit blew me away. And like the biggest heart medication, the most popular heart medication in the world, uses dandelions. But they don't want, they also are part of Roundup. See what I'm saying? They want you to kill the dandelions, you see. So instead you end up on this medication that's got the dandelion in it, also with a whole bunch of other chemical stuff. Really, you can just save the dandelions and, you know what I'm saying? It's crazy. I learned that stuff earlier this year. I was like, what? I had no idea. It's crazy. It's crazy. Let me put some of this coconut water right here. Let me see if I can get it in there. Just a little bit. Say something for my people.
Delicioso.
Oh yeah, this is a good one. This is a good one. What I love about coconut water is you can drink it. You can make stuff for your skin. You can add it to your, when you wash your hair. You can add it to your bath water. That just shows you how beneficial it is. You know. Nope. It's just crazy. It's almost like mind blowing, really. All the stuff, like all the benefits of stuff that we naturally have on Earth. It was like, damn. You know, so you can stay off long-term medicines. You know, don't wait till you get old and then decide to, you know, when it's almost too late. The earlier the better. Like it's good to start a good habit, you know, or at least try, even in these kids. Coconut good. I ain't gonna lie though, it's been some years since I busted open the coconut, so I was out there like, like starting to feel like it was never gonna open. Then all of a sudden the little line popped up around it, and I'm like, okay, there we go. Just pull it off of there. And then the second part of it is taking off this part off the shell. That's the second fight. Once you get it out of there, I just say something real sturdy, you know, and get up under there and pop it out in pieces. You know what I'm saying? Don't use nothing real weak because it's gonna bend. I guarantee you. I guarantee you. It's gonna bend. But anyway, I ain't gonna spend too long about this. I'm trying to hurry up. I'm sorry, it seems like I always be in a rush. I'm just trying to stay busy. If you sit too long, you know, you start getting in your head and all that. Like this morning, I started my day off. I did my stretching, and then I started my day off at this big old pretty park, Bay Area Park. If you're nearby that, you know what I'm talking about. I'm not nearby that, but I went to it and it was nice. I like places, I like parks with like a big body of water. That's what I like. I like to look at the water. I look at the water for a long time, for hours. I love some water. Water is very calming, healing. Not just any water though. I'm not saying walk up to some little dirty pool of water and look at it. Stop playing. I'm talking about like pretty looking water, you know, it's got some flow to it, the sun shining off of, like, you know what I'm saying, pretty. Anyway though, the main point of this video is to just try to be aware, making y'all aware of knowing that we have so much healthy stuff on Earth naturally already there. You know, trying to stay off these medicines and all that stuff. Try your best to go like the natural route. You know, like for pain, for inflammation and all that. You know, they don't say turmeric. You do some turmeric powder, you know, ginger powder, whatever. I'll make a tea with it sometimes. You know, lemon, honey. You know what I'm saying? I feel like the only time I really hate taking pain pills, but I ain't gonna lie, I'll take it like if it's the last thing, like if I'm just so much in pain, You know, and I know I need to get up, I need to go to work and stuff I need to do. You know, but I'll try my best to prevent taking pills, pain pills, you know, all that stuff. I'll try my best. Yeah. Next time I'm gonna get avocado. The avocado is along this stuff. You know what I'm saying? So if you like eating guac and all that, good. You know, you can even add avocado to your hair. Let it sit in there, rinse it out, wash your hair. I used to do that for my waves. I haven't done that in a long time. I used to put avocado, blend it up with a little water, put a little bit of coconut oil in there, add a couple drops of castor oil. I used to look it up. You know what I'm saying? All natural stuff. Yeah. Focus on being your healthiest self. You feel me? Throughout the week, try to focus more on eating more healthier stuff. That's what I do. And then on the weekends, I cut loose. I eat whatever I want to eat, you know. You don't want to feel like a robot, you know what I'm saying? You treat yourself to whatever over the weekend. And then when the week hit back, then get back to, you know, trying to be more healthy and all that. I feel like it'll pay off in the long run. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? You don't want to die at no early age because of health issues, you know what I'm saying? So, I figure, why not? Why not? It's healthy for your body, so why not? Yeah. Alright, child. So I'm going to keep it short and sweet. I'm going to end it with this. Like I said, focus on your health. Taking care of yourself. Focus on that. You're going to start feeling so much better. You know, you're going to start growing different. You know what I'm saying? When you focus on your health, whether it's physically, mentally, you just start growing different, you know? So, explore, experiment with these fruits and stuff. Look up what they do first, before you waste your money and get something you may not like. Yeah. Take care of yourself, y'all.